the one and only owners, take pride in the care of 115 Henry Tyler Drive, a custom brick home in Ford's Colony. The formal living and dining rooms are spacious and bright. With the family room open to the kitchen, the open floor plan allows plenty of space for family gathering. Custom cabinets and shelves around the fireplace adds lots of space for storage and display. The kitchen, which has double ovens perfect for the cooking enthusiast, is open to the sunroom. The cathedral ceiling, along with the many windows, makes the room addition sparkle with natural light. Upstairs are 4 spacious bedrooms with hardwood flooring. A full bathroom and laundry facilities are also conveniently located just steps from the bedrooms. The master bedroom ensuite has double vanities and shower. The room over the garage, an added bonus, can be used as a home office, family room or extension of the master suite. The large deck and welcoming backyard is place to be for outdoor fun. With so many warm and welcoming features, plus the prestigious Ford's Colony lifestyle, this traditional 4-bedroom cinder hall colonial is sure to win you over.